You know what the deal. Don't trade the trade, cause I'm paid to wait. I got these niggas like, man, this ain't real. In the zone 1, zone 2, hit a lick for the price, yeah, kill what we kill. Hit the red pill, always on the blue. Can you see this damn all on my grill? Pick up the moves, pick up the weight. All up in the markets all day. Pick up the profits, markets are thoughtless. I'm catching the whole back today. We are the nation, and we stand proud, rubbing all this cash all deep in your face. Ice on froze, nobody knows what's coming next. Hyper drives the way. Yeah, pull up, yeah, whip back. And it's force funded, killing the game. I got it, I'm buffing my itches. The trigger so true that the gun did my chick's bad. And I'm not frontin', and she's even Europe, that London. If I show up in the kill zone on time, yeah, I'm gunning, yeah. Deposits are hitting my base. This is real life, not a phase. We don't just do this for play. Catching these profits today. Money is all in the way. Chairman, I'm running my race. Deposits are hitting my base. This is real life, not a phase. We just don't do this for play. Catching these profits today. Money is all in my way. Chairman, I'm running my race.
Yes, family. What's going on, guys? Let's get it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's your boy Abel checking in one time for the one time. Let's get it. We're gonna get this thing started, guys, in just a couple minutes. We'll get this thing on the road. Let's go.
I'm worthless to you. You're feeding me lies through those tears when you cry. All on my mind, it ain't even true. It's the thing that you do. Walk away, they always say. Guess I gotta think this through. Every last moment was a memory faded, so I guess I gotta escape that too. Yeah, I gave it my all, you stole everything. All the red flags, I missed all the blues. Yeah. Every moment turns into a twisted in the road. Every word you say, it burns a hole right in my soul. All you do is lie to my face, that's all I know. Listen, don't get it twisted, so I gotta let you go. Every moment turns into a twisted in the road. Every word you say, it burns a hole right in my soul. All you do is lie to my face, that's all I know. Listen, don't get it twisted, so I gotta let you go. So I gotta let go. Every moment turns into a twisted in the road. Every word you say, it burns a hole right in my soul. All you do is lie to my face, that's all I know. Listen, don't get it twisted, so I gotta let
All right, family. What's going on? Let's get it. Let's go. It's time to clock in. It's time to work. Hey. Reason. Sing it with me. Sing it with me. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Huh. Let's talk about it. For you. Everything is singing to the fish in a row. Talk about it. Every moment is to the fish in a row. Too much things that I know. Other than me, I'm making it all. It ain't what I see. All of the time, better the time, the better than you. Defeating me lies through those tears when you cry. And the mind is the truth. It's the thing that you do. Walk away and say, guess I gotta think this through. Every last moment was a memory faded, so I guess I gotta escape that too. Yeah, I gave it my all, you stole everything, all the red flags, I missed all the clues. Yeah. Every moment turns into a twisted in the road. Every word you say, it burns a hole right in my soul. All you do is lie to me that I know. Every moment turns into the twisted in the road. Nah, this song is OD, family. This song is so tough. Holy moly. Every known and then into the desert in a row. Every moment till into the desert in a row. I too much things that I know. Where you going, Gold? That song is so tough. Guys, welcome to today's session. Not even gonna lie, I did turn off monetization real quick for the video because I don't want you guys getting distracted or disturbed by the ads that they try to place on these. But I also want to try something, right? I wonder if I turn off monetization, I wonder if they'll, obviously I might get copyrighted, but how can they copyright if I'm not getting monetized? So I want to play some music. And even though I'm not monetizing the stream, it still might shut me down, but I gotta listen to this song. I'm not even gonna lie, family. This is my song of the day today, man. This is my song of the day today, fam. I'm not even gonna lie, man. And they might shut me down, I'm not even gonna lie. So if they do pause the stream, or if they do shut down the stream, I apologize. I will turn it back on, but I gotta listen to this song, family. I'm sorry, this song is a banger. A baby on a Birkin.
She's been telling me all night long. Gasoline and groceries. The list goes
On and on.
It's 9 to 5 ain't working.
Why the hell am I working so hard?
Can't worry about my problems. I can't take them
When I'm gone. Hopefully they don't shut the stream down. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Bringing in another round, we need plenty more.
stepping on the table. She don't need a dance floor.
Oh nah, dear Lord. Someone pull me up a double shot of whiskey. You know me and Jack Daniels got history. This song is so tough, oh my god. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Come on YouTube, let me rock YouTube please. I just want to listen to this, that's all. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Let me dizzy for it. I'm tasting for it. I'm gonna line bitch. Oh no.
Woke up drunk at 10 a.m. We gon' do this shit again. Tell your girl to bring a friend.
Oh no. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Bring them in another round, we need plenty more.
Stepping on the table. She don't need a dance floor.
Oh my. Good Lord. Someone pull me up a double shot of whiskey.
They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get
Yeehaw! Everybody at the bar getting tipsy.
Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. When it's last call and they kick us out the door. It's getting kinda late, but
What's going on, family man? Shout out to you guys tuning in right now. We're gonna get this thing started in a couple minutes. Come on now. Pull me up a double shot of whiskey. You know me and Jack Daniels got history.
There's a party downtown near 5th Street.
Everybody in the club getting. You know me and Jack Daniels got history. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Y'all cannot lie, family. Hold on, man. There's no way in hell y'all don't think that that song was a banger. Can you guys rate that song on a scale of 10? Right? Rate that song on a scale of 10 real quick, right? Because that song is an absolute banger. And if you think otherwise, you tripping. We definitely running it back. Family. Shout out to you guys, man, family. Appreciate y'all tuning in this morning, man. We are back with another live stream. And as you guys could tell, strawberry acai in hand. We got that Shabuzi playing in the background. Hopefully YouTube doesn't disrespect us and kick me off, because I believe this song is, yeah. Hopefully YouTube, respects us. But there's no way in hell. And we're going to get into the charts, family. Trust me, man. I'm with you guys for at least 2 hours, 2.5 hours. We'll be vibing out for 3 hours. Trust me. Getting into the mood. Obviously, we're taking a look at the market, seeing what the hell is going on. We're going to get into all the good stuff that you guys actually show up for. But y'all know I love my music, man. And this song right here is my song of the day. Absolutely my song of the day. Absolute banger, man. Absolute banger. Baby, mom, turkey. Just listen to the first lyrics of the song. He said, "My baby want a Birkin." Like, what? You know how much a Birkin bag costs, boy? He tripping. He's trying to spend a yearly salary, a good paying yearly salary on a bag? That's crazy. All right, let's see. A baby want a Birkin. Telling me on. I know y'all feeling it, family. Hey. What the hell am I working so hard? When I'm gone. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Another round. I wish I had some Jack Daniels right now, man. I'll be sending them shits back right now. Good Lord. Someone put me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got history. They the money at the club getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Let me take some for a check. Oh no. Oh no. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Another round. Listen, fam, if you got some whiskey next to you right now, can you please take a shot for me, please? Because I can't take one. I don't got no whiskey. And I know it's early. But it's 5 o'clock somewhere, baby. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Oh my good Lord. Don't drink some. They know me and Jack Daniels got history. Yo, this song is so tough, man. They know Daniels got history. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. And everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Yeah, nah, I'm gonna have to go get me a bottle of whiskey today, bro. I swear. I might have to. I might just have to. And we're gonna go ahead and we gotta run this back one time, man. Listen, even though I'm a Drake fan, that, you know what I'm saying, every way possible. This Kendrick Lamar is going crazy. This Kendrick Lamar is crazy.
Mustard on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a free throw, man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John
Stockton. There's no way you can listen to this and not dance.
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baca got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boy, certified pedophile. That fuck him up. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's
probably A minor. Oh my god, nah. Why you gotta do that, Kendrick? Oh my god.
They not like us. 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 You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Go. The audience not dumb. Shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something? P-Rest, that's for bitching. You Malibu most wanted. Ain't no law boy, you ball boy. Fish Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this.
What's going on, y'all? Good morning, family. Good morning.
Be flipped over your boxes.
All right, let me go ahead and lock in real quick. All right, we locked in, family. We locked in. We locked in. Trust me, we locked in right now, man. All right, let's see what we got here, man. Shout out to you guys tuning in once again, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're located in this beautiful world. Super excited to be here with you guys once again. Back with another stream. Consistent Abel has clocked in for y'all. Consistent Abel for y'all. And I'm excited to see what we get today, man. Let me go ahead and clock in. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. Let me break it down for you. This the real nigga challenge. You caught future when you didn't see the club. Little baby help you get your lingo up. What 21 get your first street cred. Thug make you feel like you a slime in your head. What Quavo said you can be from north side.
See, the best thing about this song right here is that Kendrick completely allowed anybody to play this now without getting copyrighted. See, that's a chess move by Kendrick. That's a chess move, right? Removing all copyright from this song so that streamers and YouTubers can play this. It's a chess move. Ricky ass, he is 69 God. Ricky ass, he is 69 God. OVO, say OVO. Think that, step that way, step this way, step that way. My friends, are you locked in? Nah, this song is crazy. Are we locked in? Nah, that song was absolutely insane, family. Insane. But let's see what we got here in the building, man. Let's see what we got here in the building. Again, big shout out to every single one of you guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Linda, I see you. Jose in the building. My brother Drew, what's up? Leoma in the house. How are you guys doing? Protect Young Tofu. That's a beautiful name. Protect Young Tofu in the building as well. Good morning to you. Hopefully you're doing phenomenal this morning. All right, let's see who else we got here. Tyson in the building. What's going on, Tyson? I appreciate you, my brother. Thank you for tuning in. Mike Lang in the building. Time is illusion. Whiskey times doubly so. Nah, we gotta play that song. I'm sorry, but we gotta play that song one more time, bro. We gotta play that song one more time. I'm sorry. And we're locked in here too, family. Trust me. We're gonna find something that we can take advantage of today, hopefully. I gotta just play that one more time. I'm sorry. I gotta play that one more time. I gotta play it one more time, man. All right, let's see what else we got here, though. Michael G in the building. What's going on from Vancouver? I appreciate you. Sam Dollars in the building. What's going on, Sam? Good to see you as well. Hold on, we got Meadow in the house. How are you doing, Meadow? And all the others, trust me, best smart money guy on YouTube with consistency. Can see you being the biggest one here. I appreciate that, Meadow. It's all about consistency, baby. Like, I don't have no. Here's the thing about me, right? I have no worry about, if you want to call it, competing for market share here in the streaming space. I have no problems or worries about that whatsoever, right? Because I know the value that I bring, that I provide. I know the energy that I bring to the table as well is very attractive. I think so. So yeah, I know for a fact we're gonna turn things up, man. It's gonna be lit. But I do appreciate that though. Let's see, Grand Rising King, brother O in the building. What's going on? Oh, appreciate you. Let's see, never had a broker on TradingView. Is it easy to add a broker and buy and sell? This is if you're trading futures, right? If you're trading futures, you can absolutely, trade directly right on TradingView, right? But, you have to have a futures broker to do so, right? And it is extremely, extremely easy to connect, right? Literally, like if I log out, if you slide up, if you go to the bottom of your TradingView and you just slide up, you can see all the brokers that we have here. Right, so I trade futures, so I use Tradeovate. If you are trading Forex, right, and you have a regulated Forex broker, then you can also go ahead and trade directly on TradingView, with Oanda or Forex.com or even Webull, but I trade with a futures account with Tradeovate, so that's where we at with this. But yeah, very, very convenient, extremely, extremely convenient for sure. Everybody at the club getting tipsy. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. All right, let's see what else we got here in the building. Mr. Freezone in the house. What's going on, Freezone? I appreciate you, my brother. Let's see. Good morning, bro. We still on the road to Pip Island. Yo, you know what's crazy? I could swear Jama, and please correct me if I'm wrong, right? But now that you just said we're on the road to Pip Island, that really just reminds me of either you or somebody else in, streams that I used to do a couple years ago used to say the same exact thing. Like we're on the road to Pip Island, right? So I'm pretty sure it has to be you because I don't think there's that many people just going on stream saying we're on the road to Pip Island, right? So big shout out to you if it is you, man. I appreciate your consistency for showing up, even with my inconsistencies that I've had. That's massive, right? For all you guys, right? If you guys are still showing up and just showing me love and supporting what I do here, even through all the inconsistencies that I've had here on YouTube, I need to give you a round of applause, man, because I truly appreciate you. You are amazing. And I'm grateful for you actually showing up. You know what I'm saying? So thank you so much. I appreciate that, man. I really do mean that. Really do mean that, man. It means a lot to me for sure that you guys still show up, even though I'm super inconsistent here. But guess what, man? Consistent Abe is here. Consistent Abe is back. And like I said, man, this is my schedule moving forward, family, right? I'm literally going to be live here on YouTube Monday through Thursdays, and on Fridays when there's major news moving forward, right? And if I don't show up, can we make a pact together, especially with all you guys that are, my core community, right? For those guys that really, really mess with me, can we please make a pact real quick, right? If I do not show up on stream, can you guys please blow up my messages, blow up my notifications, and actually hold me accountable? Hold me accountable, right? Even though I doubt I don't show up because I'm already mentally at a point where I'm showing up no matter what. But if I do not show up, family, and if I'm not on live by 8:30 Eastern, blow me up. If you have my number, call me directly. Call me. Blow my phone up, right? Because I made a commitment to myself and a commitment to y'all to show up every single day. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. All right? So are we all good? You guys going to hold me accountable, family? Drop a 3 in the chat if you guys are going to hold me accountable. Drop a 3 in the chat if you guys are going to hold me accountable so that we show up every single day that we're supposed to show up. Please, please, please hold me accountable. Even though, again, I hold myself accountable, but it's always good to have you guys as well blowing up my shit, right? Blowing up my messages, blowing up my notifications. Like, oh, Abel, where you at, bro? Don't do this. You're tripping, bro. You made us a commitment, bro. Don't do that. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate all you guys that are going to go ahead and hold me down, right? That's love. That's love, man, because I'm doing it, guys. I'm showing up consistently. This is my job. All right, this is officially my job now, right? So we got to show up. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. All right, now that we got that out the way, let me go ahead and play my favorite song of the day right now. And before I even get this playlist started, let me just make sure I get through the comments really, really quickly. What's going on? 934 Rex, what's going on? Shout out to you guys out there in Houston. You know what's scary? We probably have a lot of people in Houston. I actually think, in terms of like location, I think Texas is probably going to be the most dominant community in my chats, right? Because you guys out there in Texas, man, y'all really rock with me for some reason, and I appreciate y'all, man. Whether it's Houston, Dallas, whether it's any of those states, or I said states, whether it's any of those cities out there in Texas, you guys really hold me down. I appreciate y'all for that. You guys show always massive love. Every time I go to Houston, it's always a phenomenal vibes, great energy. So I wouldn't be surprised if it literally the number one state in the chat or community just comes from Texas, right? Because you guys are just phenomenal, right? And again, I appreciate y'all for that. Let's see what we got here, though. I'm from Miami. You were my first smart money teacher. Learned from you now, solo trader on here. Let's go, Meadow. That's a phenomenal, bro. And I'm glad that I was able to provide you with some value, man. Let's see. Been a minute, brother. How you been, man? I've been blessed. I've been amazing. Just continuing to grow as a person first, as a trader second. And I'm glad that I'm able to come on this platform now and really just come on here and just do my thing, man, and just provide you guys with value, educate you guys, entertain you guys as well. Trust me, I'm not one of these streamers that's going to be extremely boring and quiet. So if that's your preferred method of learning or watching, if you want somebody that's going to be just straight to work and chilling, then by all means, there's a lot of other great streamers out there that are more, reserved and more quiet and more straight about business, right? For me, man, I like to have fun. Or I like to have fun, especially in a skill that's already stressful as it is, right? Because trading is not easy whatsoever, right? Let alone doing it live in front of people. So I like to have fun, man. I like to enjoy myself, so we're definitely going to have a mixture of education and value, but we're also going to have some fun, as you guys can see. I'm over here vibing, we're listening to some music, over here dancing and stuff. And that's just me, right? I'm very energetic like that, right? I truly believe that energy is so contagious. If you can jump on my stream in the mornings, you guys see me over here going crazy, just bouncing, just listening to good music, then hopefully my energy can go ahead and pass off to you. And now your energy has now shifted into more of a positive energy. And now your day is going to go a lot smoother because of that, right? So, but again, it's not everybody's cup of tea. I understand that, right? A lot of people are like, yo, I want to get straight to business, bro. Let's cut all the BS. And that's cool. There's other streamers that you guys can watch that are also phenomenal, right? But that's not me, right? I like to have fun, right? I like to enjoy myself, right? Especially if I'm spending 2 3 hours a day on here doing this, then I gotta enjoy myself, right? Or if not, then I'm gonna be sleeping on the damn stream, and that's not what I'm here for, right? So, but I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Let's see, why to switch to futures? It's kind of that's a good question, right? That's probably the question that I'm gonna get a lot, right? A few different reasons, right? I still trade forex, right? I still have, forex brokers that I still trade with, right? My unregulated broker is still Sway Markets, right? If you still are trading forex, guys, and you are looking for a broker, right, that you guys can trust, then Sway Markets is by far the best broker out right now, and there's no debate at this point, right? And you guys can go ahead and sign up with the click the link right in my bio, and you guys can go ahead and create an account. And yeah, I'd appreciate you guys if you do that, but that is an option. I still trade with Sway Markets, right, as a forex broker. But I also trade futures now because we were kind of forced to go through this. 6 months ago when the whole industry started going through a massive shift, right, because of MetaTrader, everybody had to make some decisions, right? And as a US trader, a US based trader, one of those decisions was to continue to deal with the inconsistencies of these brokers and these platforms, or just go futures, right? Or just trade the futures market, which is a regulated market, right? Has a central exchange. So all the price points are going to be the exact same, right? Essentially, very, very minimal spread, extremely low commissions. It just kind of made no sense. I mean, it was a no brainer to go ahead and get into the future side of things, right? Because it's still the same thing. The skill is the skill, right? If you know how to mark up a chart on the Forex side of things, then it's the same exact way you mark up a chart on the future side of things, right? So just to avoid all the issues that the Forex side of things, the CFD market was dealing with, I decided to come over here on the future side, and now we're also trading both, right? So it's not that I got away from trading Forex, I still do, but on stream, we're going to really focus predominantly on the future side of things, but it's going to be the same as I think either way. Okay, perfect. Let's see this AI music going crazy. The crazy thing is, this ain't even AI, bro. Like, this is my song of the day. All right, this is my song of the day. We're going to play this, but let me get through the comments real quick because you guys are going crazy in the chat. All right, so we got my boy Set in the building. Shout out to my brother Set. I appreciate you, my brother, for showing up. Always show me mad love, bro, since the first time we actually even spoke. I remember, this is the thing, guys, my memory's really good, right? If I've met you in person before, I don't want to say that, right? Because I met a lot of people, but more times than not, if I had a really good conversation with you, then I'm going to remember who you are, right? I've had dope conversations. I've met Said, a few times already in person, right? So shout out to you, Seb, for, showing up, my brother. I appreciate you. Thank you for always supporting what I do. And clearly, I've been providing you some value, my brother, if you constantly show up, man. And that means a lot to me. All right, let's see what else we got here. We got the boy Devin in the building, Mr. Devin P himself. Appreciate you, bro. Let's see what we got here. Stoked to have you back. Absolutely, man. It feels good to be back. Let's see. How does one choose a mentor and someone to follow, learn from when there's not much options? That's a good question. That's actually a really good question, right? Um, how does someone um, That's a good question. There's so many ways to answer this, right? Which is why I'm trying to like collect my thoughts before I even really open. Because there's so many different things you could look for, right? I think the most important thing that you want to look for when trying to find a mentor is somebody that you can relate to, right? Somebody that's relatable, right? Don't the flashy things, right? Which is what most people get attracted to, right? Most people will rather go to somebody that is driving the Lambo, right? That has the big houses and is flashing all their jewelry, as opposed to somebody that's extremely knowledgeable, that's there, right? That's giving you your time, giving you the energy that you deserve, right? So don't only get distracted by that. Yes, you want to look for some things like that, right? Because there's a lot of cap on the internet. There's a lot of people that really are living a double life, you could say, essentially, as mentors, but really aren't really doing anything. So you want to make sure that they actually are living what they're saying, right? Whether it's they're a multi-million-dollar trader, like cool. What's the proof of that, right? Like you say these things, like back it up. Or I want to make sure you're credible. If I'm going to be investing my time and energy into you and money into you, then I want to make sure I'm investing into somebody that's real and authentic, right? But if there's somebody else that isn't saying that they're a millionaire, but they're providing massive value day in and day out, and you just rock with their energy and you're trading live in real time, then that's also a dope option, right? So that's like the biggest thing for me, relatability. You're gonna be able to take in the information a lot better if it's somebody that you can relate to that has went down a similar path that you went through, and that's only gonna motivate you and show you what's actually possible. Okay. But yeah, that's a really good question. There's so many different ways that you can go from that. But you know, the beautiful thing about here on YouTube, there's so many different options. Right? It's not just me. There's probably like 6, 7 other streamers that are live right now, right? That you can jump on stream with, see how they teach, right? See how they interact with their community. Listen to the value that they provide. Right. And if everything checks off, then yeah, absolutely. Go ahead and reach out to mentorship with them. Right. See if you can get, enter in their circle, right? Most of these people, guys, that are on stream, that are streaming or just trading as a whole, most of these, traders usually have VIP communities, right? I have a VIP community, right? For people that have my course, right? That are a part of my course mentorship, right? So everybody usually has something that they can offer outside of the stream. And I always recommend you guys to go ahead and take advantage of that. Always, 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 right? You want to go ahead and invest into yourself at the end of the day, guys, to cut the learning curve in half as soon as possible. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see, bro. Hope I don't leave YouTube again. I mean, I hope you don't listen. I'm locked in, man. I promise you, I'm locked in. I got you. I'm not going nowhere. Let's see. Can you look at the 4-hour time frame on gold? I can see that the manipulators are bullish. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at this as well, guys. I know I'm just chilling here. I'm not, you know what I'm saying, not in a rush to trade, and I'm really not, man. I'm vibing out. We chilling. We gonna keep our eyes on this stuff and see what the market gives us. But yeah, let's take a look at a few of these things now, guys. So gold is interesting, right? Gold itself, we ended up taking a position yesterday on gold. Uh, where was it? It was somewhere around here. We ended up taking a buy position on gold. We did end up getting stopped out. But the thing that sucks about this is, and I actually made a video on this last night, right? I ended up dropping a video for you guys yesterday, family. And I'm going to be doing this consistently, right? So after these live streams, I'm going to try my best to record a vlog style, educational style based video to just pretty much explain what we went through today on the live session. All right. And that's what I did yesterday. I dropped a video just especially explaining what happened yesterday, how I was disappointed with myself on how I performed. And it's not that I took a big loss, right? If you guys look at the account now, this is a 100K account. We only lost around 130 bucks or so, 136 bucks. So we lost literally 0.15% on the position. But that's not the reason that I was upset with myself yesterday, right? Reason why I was upset with myself after yesterday's performance was because, again, I broke a rule, right? I did something that I typically know better than to do, and that is to move my stop loss and play around with my stops, right? According to my plan, guys, once my trade is set and I find my take profit, I find my stop loss, and I enter the trade, it's not my job to now go ahead and become emotional and start to play around with my stop loss placement, right? I already practice proper risk management when I took the trade to begin with. So I have to just let that trade play out instead of trying to reduce my risk and things like that. And I bring that up because now we took our entry. All right, this is all from yesterday's stream. Right, we had to set up like this. It was like this yesterday, right? Something like this, right? And then we were going ahead and we were targeting all the way back up to the highs, and I still think we do have potential to go all the way higher, but we got to just see how price plays out, right? So there's something like this that we were looking at yesterday, okay? And then what I ended up doing after we took the entry, I didn't like how fast or how slow we could say price was moving, right? Because it really wasn't doing much. I mean, we literally remained choppy the entire day. But I ended up moving my stop literally to below these wicks. And that's such a rookie move, right? This is why I'm disappointing in myself, right? That's such a rookie mistake that I made because now I literally gave the people the opportunity to use me as liquidity. Like literally, right? And that was, again, just a rookie mistake. And these are the things that we have to be aware of, right? I realized that after I got stopped out. I'm like, damn, why did I do that, Abel? You know better than that. You're more experienced to do that, bro. Like, are you crazy? Like, what? You're looking like a rookie right now, right? So I understood that. But this is a situation that happened yesterday, right? In the video that I dropped yesterday, I explained the situation. I'm like, man, I messed up. I should have left my stop where it was. I was only risking 0.25% as it is, extremely low. And at the very least, we could have at least got out near the end of the day, close to where we entered at. So we could have even took a smaller loss, if not got out at break even. And again, it's not even the dollar amount that we lost, right? Because we lost literally nothing. It's just the principle of me breaking a rule for whatever reason that is. And you guys know how crazy or how detrimental breaking a rule can be, right? Trading is all about it's all about discipline at the end of the day, guys, right? If you lack discipline in this space, then you're not going to see the results that you're after. That's just the reality, right? So I'm upset with myself because I lacked discipline at that point in time. And there's nobody to blame but myself, right? Because I know better to do things like that, right? So again, it's just things like that, guys. So I'm gonna make videos for you guys as often. I'm gonna try to drop at least 2 or 3 a week, on top of these live streams, just showing you guys exactly the process, the outcome of trades, what we could have done better, right? What we can improve on. And then hopefully it's educational for you guys so you guys can also learn from it, right? Just learn from my experiences and what I go through, right? So that's the reality of yesterday's trades, man. So that's dope. Hopefully, if you guys watched that video, I appreciate you so much. If you didn't watch that video, go ahead and tune in and watch that video sometime today. There's a lot of value, that I drop, a lot of gems that I drop in that video itself. Okay. All right, let's see what we got here now. H Town, absolutely. We got Sydney, Australia in the building. What time is it over there in Australia, right? It's got to be like almost midnight over there in Australia, right? It's got to be at midnight over there. Absolutely. Let's see, when you get a chance, can you show how to get a live and a demo account to trade on in TradingView? Yeah, I mean, there's different options, right? It's either you can go ahead and go straight to a futures prop firm account and trade that, or you can go to Tradeovate. Actually, I'll say Ninja Trader, right? Because Ninja Trader owns Tradeovate. Well, you can come right here, right? NinjaTrader.com, right? And go ahead and open an account, right? NinjaTrader.com. And this is if you want to trade futures, right? This is if you want to trade futures, right? And you want to trade futures, you want to trade on TradingView, NinjaTrader.com, right? Go ahead and create an account. They are partnered with Tradeovate, right? They are partnered with Tradeovate, and then you use Tradeovate to actually go ahead and log in right here on TradingView. Okay, so NinjaTrader and Tradeovate, create an account here with NinjaTrader, open it up, lock it in, connect it to Tradeovate, and then you'll be good to go. Okay. Let's see. Layman's terms, different between forex and futures. Just downloading my broker on TradingView, so just learning how to use it on TradingView. That's a good question. I mean, there really isn't as many differences as you would think, right? The things that you really just got to get accustomed to if you're coming from forex into the future side of things is more so the lingo, right? A little bit of the lingo is different in terms of it's not even the lingo. I take that back, right? The lingo is not different, right? It's how it's being traded is different, right? We're not trading lot sizes when we're trading futures, right? Obviously, when we're trading the forex side of things, we're trading based off lot sizes, right? That dictates, how much we're willing to bet on a position. But when we're trading futures, we're trading contracts, right? So it's not lot sizes, but we're trading contracts, right? So it's the similar thing though, right? In terms of how we place these trades, it's just little small differences. But the biggest thing and why it's so easy to go from being a forex trader into a futures trader is that it's the same exact process, right? We analyze the markets the same exact way, okay? We mark up the charts the same exact way, okay? So there really ain't that many differences like that. Let's see, do they have a MT4 M5? No, they don't. They don't. Right? No futures broker you're gonna find on MetaTrader. Let's see. I appreciate you for your commitment to edutaining us. I appreciate that as well, man. Let's see. Got your training course. Best thing copied into your grandfather's courses. People on here should get on your course. Best thing. I appreciate that. And family, just throwing this out there. All right, you guys know I don't be on here promoting my course or anything. It's up to you guys to find it if you want it. But I do have a steal for all you guys that come from the stream. Hey man, hey man, y'all. Hey, I'm just throwing this out there. Y'all can get the course for 30% off. Literally using coupon code STREAM. Just throwing it out there. If you want it, you're gonna have to find a link to the course and use the coupon code. I'm pretty sure the coupon code is STREAM. You just double check real quick. But again, I'm not on here trying to show you guys anything, right? If you guys like if you guys want it, it's available. If you guys don't, then it's cool. I ain't gonna stress. I ain't gonna stress at all. You know what I'm saying? But it is there if you do want to go ahead and get it. Stream for 30% off. Let me make sure I get this right real quick, family. Give me a second. Perfect. Stream for 30% off if you want it. But let's see what we got here. Got to plan the live events. That would be fire, right, Kev? Doing a live event, man. I miss being on stages. I miss being in front of you guys. I miss, being able to just pass off my energy in real time, right, in person, to everybody that's truly, ready to go ahead and lock in and learn. So, I definitely miss, being on stages and being in front of people for sure. We'll eventually get there, right? Once this, as long as I'm consistent, family, right, this entire year. Maybe by the, again, I want to make sure that we're super consistent because if I throw an event, like it costs money to throw an event, so it got to be worth it, right? It's not necessarily about charging you guys to attend, but I would like for a ton of people to show up, but I do plan eventually to have some live events, in-person events that we can call, pull up to, maybe for an entire week. We rent out, a nice little spot for a whole week, and we're just trading live together for the whole week. Like that would be fire, right? That would be amazing. I think the experience that you guys will get would be cool, and yeah, I think that's something that we eventually plan on doing in the future for sure. Let's see, what's good, Daquan in the building? What's going on, Daquan? Appreciate you, my brother. Let's see, it's 11:15. It's 11:17 out there in Australia. Yeah. Shout out to you guys out there in Australia that are showing up even this late, man. Let's see, Abel, do us grandfather courses guys still get access? Absolutely, right? Absolutely, family. This is the thing about me, man. If you have one course of mine, then more times than not, you get grandfathered into every course. Like I'm working on 2.0 right now with my course, right? Adding more so focused on execution techniques and entry. Yeah, I mean same thing, right? It's more focused on strategy around executions and entries and all that good stuff, right? So yeah, once I get even 2.0 up, right? You guys are gonna get grandfathered in. I personally don't like recharging you guys for every little thing. I mean, there are going to be certain things that you guys, might have to pay a couple dollars for, but for the most part, everything for the most part should be grandfathered in. That's just how I like to operate. Let's see, gold is flying. Yeah, gold is flying right now, right? And I'm interested to see what gold continues to do here, right? Is this truly going to go ahead and bounce off of this support and now seek higher pricing? Because that's what it's looking like right now. And that tells me if this continues to hold, right? If this move to the upside can sustain itself, I mean, I think we have plenty of room to go to the upside, right? If we are, because I'm gonna be honest, family, I was kind of leaning towards possible bearishness still for this, for today, but we're seeing a lot of strength right now in gold. And with this move that we're seeing here, that is causing a nice shift in structure, right? We have now finally taken out the high that put in the low. With us seeing the shift in structure here, yeah, I mean, I think today is definitely going to be a bullish day here for gold. Now, how can we get involved, right, after this move already happened? Well, guess what? There's always going to be a pullback, right? I mean, this could just continue to go, right? But there's always going to be a pullback, and if we can go ahead and now wait for the market to pull back, right, on the 15-minute candle, we do have this lone candle right here. Maybe on a sweep of this lone candle now, push back down into here, that can probably present us a nice opportunity, right? So we'll see. We're gonna keep our eyes on this, guys. Again, I'm not in a rush to push the button real quick. I'm not in a rush to get involved. We're just gonna let this stuff play out, and when the opportunity presents itself, then we'll go ahead and be ready to take it. We're gonna ride out like that for sure. For sure, skis, right? So we did just take out the highs. We swept these lows and went all the way to the highs. We now took out these highs, right? Grabbed the liquidity above there, and it looks like we're now starting to shift back to the downside as well. So we'll see what this ends up doing, and yeah, we'll see if the market can give us a good play here. Let's see. Go drink a Red Bull. Yeah, this thing is moving, man. I wonder is everything else moving? Let's see. I mean, US 30 is moving as well. The Nasdaq did take out these highs. We did see a nice strong push here at the open of New York session, and it did push higher. So did the S&P 500. So we are seeing a lot of bullishness, right? Is the dollar dropping? Yeah, the dollar is dropping. It had to have been dropping, all right? So this looks pretty interesting, right? I think just based on how it's looking so far, it looks like we could be definitely looking for more sell side price action here on the dollar, which is probably going to cause gold to continue to fly, and the Nasdaq, the S&P, and the US 30s probably just to continue to run as well, right? So that's what I'm leaning towards as of right now, based off current price action, right? I think dollar weakness and bullishness across the board for all these other hard assets that we can trade, right? So now that we have the potential bias here, now it's just a matter of just finding an entry that makes sense. That's really what it comes down to, right? Now we just got to find an entry that actually makes sense that we can go ahead and get involved in and take advantage of for sure. right? And one place that I'm gonna be watching here for gold is, again, what happens in this area, right? How do we react anywhere within this range? You know, if we do push back down into this level, guess what? This can be an opportunity for us to now seek higher pricing. Okay, so that's what I'm leaning towards. That's what I want to see. Just got to be patient here. We got to let the market, give us the opportunity to get involved. I'm going to go ahead and set an alert down here on gold. So when price does get down there, we can at least get alerted and get prepared to, find a possible entry if that's what it is. Let's see what else we got here, though, on the horizon. Let's see. 1, 2 to the 3 to the 4. That song is so hard. All right, so now while we're watching and we're just vibing out, guys, let me go ahead and play you guys the song of the day. All right, this is the song of the day for sure. Let's see, what do you think? Save and use your money and put it into account, or go the prop route, then use profits to put into a personal account? That's a good question. Right, that's a really good question, right? So it depends, right? That's a good question. Honestly, it's gonna be preference, right? Anybody you ask is gonna have. If you ask other traders, they're probably gonna give you different answers. But I'm a big fan of prop firms, right? I am a big fan of prop firms, right? Because they give us the ability of actually trading and making real money. Putting $100, $500, even putting $1,000 into an account, there's like a 90% chance you're probably gonna blow that. 99% chance you're gonna blow that. And the reason for it is just because your satisfaction, right? You can make 10% on $1,000 account, and yeah, you made $100, which is amazing, but you're not gonna stop, right? You're not gonna stop there, right? You're gonna want more. You're gonna want more. You're gonna want more, and that's a dangerous path to get on, right? So it's up to you what you decide to do, but just master the skill, right? And once you have the skill and you have an edge in the market, then definitely go to the prop firms, right? So you can start off straight with prop firms if you want, especially some of these futures prop firms are extremely cheap. You can even go to, shout out to Sway Funded, right? But you can even go here to Sway Funded, right? If you don't want to start off with just capital. And the reason why I say them is because they have accounts that are extremely cheap. Like they have a $1,000 account for $10. Like $10 for $1,000 account? That's crazy. Now again, you only have 10% that you can lose overall, 20% max drawdown. All right, so you can only lose $100 to $200, but for $10, you now can go ahead and trade essentially a $1,000 account. Like, yeah, this is dope, right? I would do something like this, right? As opposed to putting $100 into a personal account and trying to flip it. Like, no, right? I mean, it's an option, but I would prefer. I'm leaning towards prop firms all day. But it doesn't matter if you're trading prop firm, personal capital. You still gotta learn the skill regardless, right? You're just not gonna see success. Now, once you do become consistent, right? And once you do see big payouts, and you start to get paid out through these prop firms, then yeah, you eventually want to go ahead and beef up your personal account. You know what's crazy, family? This is a bar. I gotta pause the music for this one. Hold on, I gotta pause. Sorry, Shabuzi. I gotta pause the song real quick, right? Because this is a nugget that I want you guys to comprehend, right? Oh my goodness, this is such a gem. Really take this, right? You want to take all the capital that you make from prop firms and start to beef up your personal account, right? Like that's always should be your goal, right? Because you just never know where these prop firms are gonna be at 6 months, a year, 2 years from now, right? Especially with what we went through in the past year with these prop firms, where damn near every prop firm had to go through a massive shift, especially the Forex side of things. You just never know, right? So definitely, anytime you get money, man, go ahead and make sure you funnel it into a personal account so you also have that. But this is the gem that I want you guys to pick up, right? What most people do is they actually go ahead, and we're talking about personal funds real quick. They'll put $100 into a personal trading account, and then they'll try to trade that, right? But the gem that we have to understand is that just like you put in money into a personal account, why not continue to add more to it? Right? There was a point in time, family, where I was treating my trading account essentially like a savings account. Like literally, it was essentially like a savings account. Right? I will put $100 this week. Next week I will add another $100. The following week I'll add another $100. The next week I'll add another $100. Right? Because as long as you're practicing proper risk management, and you're actually practicing it and you're being disciplined about it and you're constantly adding more money into it as often as possible, you can now grow your account and what started as an initial $100 deposit, but because you constantly put more money into it, you now have $1,000 account. You now have a $2,000 account, right? So you can always fund more money into your account. But most people don't think about it like that. Most people do one deposit and then they try to quadruple that and they end up blowing it. Why not do one deposit first, right? Start to grow a little bit, aim for 4 or 5% a week, max loss 4 or 5, 10% a week, but then add more. Add more. Why not continuously funnel more money in there? Right? The more times you funnel money into your personal account and consistently throw money in there, the bigger the actual account gets. So the bigger the profits will get. Right? And if you can consistently make 4 to 5% a week on a $100 account, but yet you're adding more money in there ever so often, those gains are going to really magnify. Right? So the gem is deposit money, but keep on depositing money. Treat it like a savings account essentially. Right? Obviously, we're trading it, but still add more money every so often. Don't just rely on just one deposit, especially if it's a small deposit. Don't just rely on that one, right? Because eventually you're not going to be satisfied with the gains. And you're going to get, super undisciplined and blow it. Add more, right? Add more, add more, right? If you get a big, a nice sum of cash that hits your account for whatever reason, maybe it's a birthday, maybe it's a holiday, and you get gifted $500. Add some more, right? Beef up that account. But you can only do this if you're actually going to be a disciplined trader and you're not going to leverage the entire account on one position. Add more. Why not? Like, why not? Again, I did it. I did this like 4 years ago, right? Where I essentially treated my trading account as a savings account, but I was also very disciplined back then. I wasn't risking 5, 10, 15% on a trade, right? Because I understood how I was treating this account. I was treating it as something that I can grow my money slowly but surely, get a better return than the bank, and eventually that $100, $200 deposit turned into a few thousand, right? Not necessarily because I'm trading and I'm making all this money, but because I keep on adding more, right? Just out of my bank, add more, funnel more money in there. And that same 4 or 5% that I'm targeting is now going to be growing substantially a lot quicker because you're just really funneling more money in there, right? So that's such a gem, guys, right? Don't overlook that, right? You don't have to just stop with one deposit, right? Just follow proper risk management. Only lose up to 10%, 5 to 10% a week, but then every week you add more money from your paycheck. You're gonna see how fast your account ends up growing, right? So that's just my advice on that. Let's see. Make sure you're profitable on paper. Go profit and get funded. Absolutely, great advice, Mike. Abel, what amount to do think would be ideal? Oppose 1K in a private account to trade. Again, it's whatever is comfortable with you, right? That question is going to be subjective to the person, all right? Because I can't recommend you to put $100 in there, but yet that's literally your last $100, right? Because now you're going to be stressed out about that $100, right? So it's subjective. What are you comfortable with trading with? That is not going to affect your day-to-day operations. I took a dramatic pause right there for a reason because I need that to resonate with y'all. Right? Do not, and I know this sounds cliche, but it is cliche for a reason. Do not, right, trade with capital that you need back right away. You're already putting yourself in a tough spot. Right? Do not use capital that you need back right away. Right? So again, if you literally only have a few $100s to your name, put in $50. Don't put in the whole $200, $300 in there, right? Because in case you lose it, which you probably are going to, you'll be okay. It won't affect you mentally. Okay. Let's see. Compounding effect with personal accounts. Yeah, absolutely, man. Let's see. Abel, which platform were you just talking about with $10 for the 10K account? Yeah, Sway Funded. I appreciate you, Gavin, for answering that for him, man. See, I love people like that, man. That just look to help others in the chat, right? So, Gavin, man, big round of applause for you. It's things like that, man, that are little things like that, man, that mean a lot to me, right? Big round of applause for Gavin, man. It's little things like that, guys, that just mean, like, when I see you guys answering questions, even if it's something basic like that, man, like, come on, man, we're a community, right? We're a family, right? We're here to help each other, right? We're here to help each other grow, right? So yeah, Sway Funded has, like, this is nuts, family. Again, Now, Sway funded, even though I'm a big fan of Sway itself, you know, I love Sway. I love the owner. Um, there's no other prop firm out there that allows you to get $1,000 account for $10, right? A $2,500 account for $25, right? A $5,000 account for $50, right? So, you know, most other prop firms, they're usually starting at 10K, 25K, 50K and up, right? You can get $1,000 account for $10, family. Like that's crazy, right? So yeah, I would recommend Sway funded for this reason, right? You know, just because they have such small, cheap accounts that you can go ahead and start dabbling with. Okay. All right, so fam, I'm keeping my eye on this goal. Like I said, man, we're chilling, we're vibing out, man. I'm not in a rush to do anything. We're definitely gonna keep our eyes on this. You know, we did see this nice push up to the upside. We seen a little sweep of the highs up here. Now we're starting to come right back within the range. But I do like the potential of price, you know, now forming some type of a support down here at these lower levels that we can possibly find an entry for, right? So if we can see the market really play around here and then start to show signs of bullishness, then yeah, I'm gonna be willing and able to go ahead and look for some positions. Now, if this is now the market going back into a bearish trend, which is possible, right? That's cool. You know, we'll see the market continue to drop, and then we'll look for some type of a pullback back into this range right there, and then from there we'll look for the shorts if that's what, you know, the market is telling us to do. You know, but we're gonna keep our eyes on this. You know, as of right now, we're seeing them push back down. We gotta see how this continues to go. We gotta see how this continues to go. Right, yesterday was extremely choppy day, man. We really didn't do a damn thing yesterday. We were so choppy all throughout the entire day. And hopefully today is not going to be a similar thing, right? Where it's just so choppy, super annoying. But that's just the reality of these markets, right? We don't know what, you know, the day is going to present itself as, but you know, when it does show, then we got to just be willing and able to, you know, take advantage of that. But let's see what we got here. The Book of David, subscribe. Let's go. Round of applause, family. Can we go ahead and show love to the Book of David real quick? Come on now. Come on now, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate that so much for, you know, popping in and showing love. I appreciate that, man. Thank you for the subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. It definitely means a lot, especially as we are rejuvenating this channel. And yeah, it means a lot to me. Thank you. All right, so let's see what we get here, family. Keeping our eyes on this stuff. I mean, the market just opened up. At least the stock market did just open up. So let's see what type of volatility that we get from that. Take a look at the NASDAQ real quick as well. Let's see what we got here. We did have a nice little spike up here before the open here. Now that we are on the open, let's see how we react up above these highs. Again, I told you guys I'm kind of leaning towards bullishness here. But I also want to see how we react here, right? Because we're starting to get to a point where we're now sweeping these lone candles all the way to the left, all right? A sweep of that lone candle could possibly warrant a push at least back down towards this 18,080 level. So, hey, man, there could be a play up here at these highs where this does go ahead and shift lower. But we're going to be patient on this. We're not going to rush. And we're going to see, you know, what the market essentially gives us, right? US 30 itself is doing what US 30 does, a whole bunch of nonsense, right? Crazy spike down on the open here, right? And then erased it right back literally 2 minutes later. So US 30 is doing what US 30 does, a whole bunch of BS and nonsense. But yeah, interesting stuff, man. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on this stuff. Like I said, I know I keep saying that, but we're gonna see what the market can give us here, man. We're gonna see what the market can give us here, man. In terms of gold looks like this could start getting ready to go back to the upside here. Gold looks like it might want to go ahead and go back on up. Might want to go back on up. Okay, so I mean, again, we are above a key level structure, right? We are reacting off of an area of nice liquidity in my opinion. You know, if we can get a nice close above the trigger line, I think that could be solid, right? I think that could be solid for a nice move to the upside. So let's keep our eyes on this stuff, guys, and we'll see if we can get something. We shall see, we shall see, we shall see. All right, in the meantime, though, let's go ahead and play the song of the day. Let's go play the song of the day and see what we get from it, man. Hey, hey, hey. Telling me all night long. There's no way in hell y'all can't tell me this song is a banger. But I've had it in my for so long. When they're gone. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Many more. Oh my good lord. Tell me a double shot of whiskey. And let me get the bargain tipsy. And you guys will know, family, too, by the way, right? If I do take any position here, right? If I do take a position, you guys will know because you guys will see it on the screen. I will tell you guys this position. And then it's up to you guys to agree with, you know, the analysis and take it with me, or you guys could just, you know, disagree with the analysis, or you guys can take it and just not, or just do anything, right? It's up to you. Right? Again, I'm not pushing the button for y'all. You know, if I take it, I will let you guys know. Then it's up to you to decide if you agree. If you agree, you can take it. If you don't agree, by all means, don't take it. But I will also love to see your analysis yourself. You know, so if you guys don't agree with anything, family, one thing that you guys can do is over here, I do have my Discord that you guys are all able to go ahead and join if you guys want to. You know, in order to join the Discord, you guys can go ahead and go to this link right here. Right, you guys can come to this link right here and go ahead and join the Discord. And we have this section right here in the Traders Lounge called Trade Markups. You know, I would love for you guys to come in here if you guys agree or disagree. You know, let me know what you guys are looking at, right? Let me see your guys' markups, right? How do you guys, you know, how are you guys looking at the markets today, right? You know, so definitely take advantage of that, guys, if you guys don't mind. We got the boy FTP Eric, Mr. Eric himself. He sent a gold markup here. He said, peeping his gold, waiting on the closure on this 1 hour candle to take a stab or not. If it closes as an engulf, I'll take the stab for the buys. If it does, let's see, did it close as an engulfing? I'm pretty sure it probably did. It actually did close as an engulfing too, that he said. Yeah, that's not a bad play, man. That's not a bad play there. Everybody at the bargain tipsy. Everybody at the bargain tipsy. All right, so we did get a nice close above on the outside of our trigger line. Let's see what this ends up doing here. Is it going to flip back bullish now and take out these highs? Possibly. Let's see what we get here. I wonder. Hopefully, see, now I'm playing songs that really might get me copyrighted, but we're going to vibe out. Playing songs that really might get me copyrighted, but we're going to vibe out. Hopefully YouTube don't disrespect us. Because this song right here is fire too. Let's see. I'm still watching, family. I'm still watching. I need this thing to flip back up. Push here. That'd be nice. Shout out to all my Hispanics in the building, man. Shout out to all my Hispanics in the building, man. Let's get it. Stand up. Let's see. I'm still watching, family. Still watching. Let's see, morning family, like that Bad Bunny? Absolutely. Bad Bunny's him. We need the Hispanic. I got a whole playlist, family. Like, don't play me. You know me. My playlist is elite. Like, elite. I got a whole... Oh, look at this. Let me see. Should I show you my playlist? I'll show y'all. Like, I got a whole Spanish playlist that goes crazy. A whole Spanish playlist that is insane. Oh, shoot. Can't show y'all that. Can't show y'all that. I just gave away a little bit of the crypto sauce right there. Sheesh. Gave away a little too much value there on the crypto side, my little watch list. Whoa. What's the Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq, the Nasdaq's trying to come back down. I think I should, in terms of the music, I think since I turned off monetization, I think since I turned off the monetization on these videos, I think we could play music that's copyrighted and not get kicked off. I hope at least. Okay. Yeah, see now this thing is starting to push gold. What are we doing, gold? Are you gonna go? Let's see what we get here. Yeah, we got a nice strong close here now too. I were to target up the high. The risk to reward is pretty bad here. And what I'm really waiting for, man, I really want to see us sweep this whole loan candle here. All right, if you understand the loan candle theory, right? Like, I know the music is low, but I feel like it's super loud in my ear. It makes me scream on top of everything. But if you understand the loan candle theory, all right, if you guys understand the low candle theory, right? Anybody that was in the previous community that I was with, you guys understand the loan candle theory. If you guys understand that, that was essentially what I really wanted to see, right? I really wanted to see gold come down, sweep the entire loan candle, and then from there we could possibly see higher pricing. But looks like this thing might be going already as it is. As of right now, it's starting to push for sure. So we're gonna keep our eyes on this stuff. Again, I'm not in a rush, family, whatsoever today. But gold is looking solid, man. Gold does look like it wants to do exactly what we were initially looking at. Giving a nice push to the upside here. I think is very solid. I think there's a good opportunity for this thing to continue to go. And yeah, we're gonna have to let this ride regardless to see what the market does. But it's looking solid as of right now. Looking super solid. And I'm not in it on this, you know, the future side of things at all right now. So I'm still watching, still chilling. Still watching, still chilling, still being patient. Oh, we gotta play the song of the day. We gotta play the song of the day. Let's see, in UCAD sales. Let's see, what's UCAD doing? A baby want a Birkin. Telling me all night long. This song is so hard, bro. Oh my god. He said the 1003. Yo, you guys are gonna make us get like at this point, we might as well get t-shirts that say 1003 on it, right? Like we all just rock the 1003 gang. That's like an inside joke here. The 2 to the 3 to the 4. Hey, I like this sell. Like the sells on USD CAD though don't look too bad, to be honest with you. Right, we are seeing a little bit of selling pressure as it is. The dollar has been kind of weak. You know, we did come back up and test its structure here. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we did flip bearish here, and possibly went lower here. What's the dollar doing actually? Yeah, the dollar's still rolling over as well a little bit to the downside. So everybody at the club getting whipsy. That 1003 gang, man. 1003 gang. Hold on. And 6B1. What are you looking at in the pound over here, man? Oh no. What you looking at? Are you still in this, bro? What exactly did you look for? No. We need plenty more. Oh my. Good lord. Double told me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got history. Yo, this song is fire, bro. I don't care what nobody says, bro. This song is fire. We got 1003 gang in the building. Gold is still playing around here, still trying to go. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. 1003 gang in the building. Slit 1003 gang. Yeah, imagine we get shirts. We get merch done for that. That would be hilarious. Yo, I think it was brother O, man. Osei, man. I think it was you that mentioned that. Wasn't it you that said that, bro? That that really started that whole thing? You said, watch at 1003 the market is gonna move. Big 1003 gang in the building, man. Yo, that is hilarious though, bro. Yes, it was. Yeah, bro. We might have to get some shirts done, man, and give you a percentage of the sales. Imagine that, right? That'd be hilarious. Big 1003 gang in the building, man. All right, so let's see. Gold is still just playing around here, man. Keeps on pushing back down, retesting. Still chilling down here at these levels, man. I would love, again, I would still love for us to do like a sweep of the lone candle, but we did test into it already. We just gotta be patient, man. Let's see what the market does here, man. We are about 12 minutes out from the, close of the hour candle, so. Let me see what else we got here. $10.03 gang in the building. Woo-wee. 10.03 gang in the building. Yeehaw! That's how I feel when I listen to that song I was just playing, right? When I listen to this song, I'm gonna pull me up a double shot of whiskey. Yeehaw! Let's get it. You've done me all night long. Ain't worth it. Why the hell am I working so long? When I'm gone. 1. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. When ain't another round, we need plenty more. Oh my. You know what's crazy? I'm about to have this song in your guys' head all day long. And a party and a bar getting tipsy. $10.03 gang, you heard? Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. I ain't bidding for a check. I ain't bitch. Oh my. When I'm bidding in a minute. To the 3 to the 4. Another round, we need plenty more. Oh my. Good Lord. Tell me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got. And I'm really in the club getting tipsy. The thing is, do we wait till 10:03? Do we wait till 10:03? Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. I don't even drink whiskey, but this song is making me go. It makes me want to go buy some whiskey. Family, how many of you guys drink whiskey in the chat, man? Everybody drink whiskey in the chat? How many of you guys drink whiskey in the chat, man? This is your anthem right here. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Who drinks whiskey in the chat? What's your guys' preferred alcohol drink if you do take some drinks, right? I'm not an alcoholic. I barely drink. Like, I rarely drink, right? I don't drink often. When I do, I'm on stream acting a fool. So I don't drink often, but I don't drink whiskey. That's for damn sure. At least I never attempted to, at least. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. All right, come on, Gold. Show me some, Gold. What you trying to do? What you trying to do? What you trying to do, man? Get up in there. Let's see. What you trying to do, Gold? What you trying to do, buddy? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Killing me. He a fucking millionaire. You can make the dress. Oh shit, bro. Oh, I ain't even mean to jump in this. I did not mean to jump in this trade. What did it take? I ain't not even mean to get in this. But, oh well. Alright, so I mean, I did end up jumping into this buy unintentionally because I was just moving stuff around. But I did take this buy here on gold. Again, I was already leaning towards the bullishness here, so I'm cool with it. It is what it is. My risk is going to be down below these lows, guys, where we ended up sweeping this last level of liquidity here. We're going to targeting back up to the highs at 23.41, and I mean, we're in it now, so now we're going to let this thing rock out, man. But I did take a position here on buy on gold, although it was unintentional. I think it's actually going to play out for us either way. All right, did put 2 contracts on this bad boy here on the future side of things, and we're not risking much though, right? We're risking like $200. Right, $200 on a 100,000K account, it's like 0.2%. All right, 0.2% here, so. Huh? You just slide whenever. Alright, let's see how this plays out, family. We're gonna let this thing rock out, man. See what we get from it. Let's see, yes sir, that whiskey. Luli with the whiskey? Okay. Let's see, the Ray and Nephew Jamaican rum. I never heard of that. I might have to try that. Let's see, I drink liquor, no preference. He said, I don't care what it is. He said, it don't matter what type of liquor, I'll take it. Let's see, red wine. Hey man, I can't, the red wine, listen, the red wine is what I was drinking on stream, right? It's dumb funny. Last year, right, I was doing Asian session streams last year, right? There were some streams where I was literally sipping on wine, right? And that wine really do creep up on you, right? Like, again, I don't drink often, right? Like I said, I just don't. It's usually if I'm on vacation, I'll be drunk as hell the whole vacation. If it's a holiday, I might drink a little bit, take a couple shots and things like that. But I normally don't drink, right? But I have been sipping wine. I don't want to say lately, right? But that wine really do hit you different, right? And it's a cool vibe, good experience. Right? I was acting a fool on stream off that wine, like literally off the wine. Acting a fool. It'd be like that though. Let's see. Christian was there. You was drinking with me, Christian. Well, listen, man, I appreciate you, my brother. Cheers, man. Cheers. Obviously, this ain't no liquor, but cheers, my brother. I appreciate you for acting the fool with me. We might have to bring that back, right? Nah, I can't do that. I don't mind drinking, you know what I'm saying? But it's not my thing, right? I prefer, if I was to choose between drinking and getting high, like, I would rather smoke weed than drink, right? That's just my personal preference, right? Any day of the week, I would choose smoking than drinking any day of the week, right? Because when I drink, man, I really do turn into a fool, right? It just, yeah, it's like a whole different version of Abel comes out when I'm drunk. And it's cool, right? During the period of time when this happened, it's definitely a vibe, right? But then the following day, man, I'm all miserable, I'm all groggy and upset. Like, that's just not my thing, right? At least when you smoke, you can wake up and everything is back to normal, right? When you're drunk, you wake up hangover and it's like a miserable day moving forward. Like, for real. Oh, does whiskey sour count? I can't do it straight. What is whiskey sour, right? Is whiskey sour what, just whiskey with some type of chaser in it? That's fine. Let's see, some Jamaican Magnum. Jamaican Magnum, that just sounds crazy. Jamaican Magnum. The Jamaican Magnum, that's crazy. See, now you got me. Let me see, what's the Jamaican Magnum? How do you spell Jamaican Magnum? Tonic wine? Jamaican Magnum tonic wine. This looks dangerous, bro. What the hell? This is not no regular wine bottle. With iron and vitamins? Yo! There's wine that comes with iron and vitamins. There's a healthy version of wine? Shit, I'm about to buy right now. Psych. That's interesting. Have y'all ever seen that before? Jamaican Magnum? Shout out to Tyson, man. He might have some secret sauce there. Is that for a great night? Let's see, a cocktail. Okay, Linda, you want those cocktails? Yeah, cocktails are cool. Cocktails are cool. Let's see, Mel is Jamaican. Oh yeah, she is Jamaican. Has she actually heard of that stuff though? Drew, she's had that before, that Jamaican Magnum? That's crazy. You had that before? Yeah, I've never even heard of that Jamaican Magnum before. He said, duh, for a great night. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. He said, duh, for a great night. Abel, pick up the vibes, bro. What are you doing, bro? You acting crazy right now. Let's see, check out my markup that I sent. Where'd you send it at? Where did you send it at, brother? Because it's not in the spot that it's supposed to be sent at. If you're in the Discord. Where'd you send it at? Let's see, it's a tonic. Yeah, I might be an idiot, but what's a tonic? Let me go bring it to AI real quick, right? We have to bring this conversation to AI. What is Jamaican Magnum? We gotta bring it to AI. I don't even Google anything anymore. I mean, technically I do because it's owned by Google, but like I AI everything. Let's see, on this chat, I can't see anything. You sent the markup? There was no markup sent in the chat. Let's see, refer to the Magnum tonic wine. This is a fortified tonic wine from Jamaica. It is bottled at 16.5% alcohol. Is pretty high and has a sweet cherry flavor. It is a popular drink in the Caribbean and is often seen as a party drink. Okay. Okay. What does tonic mean? What does tonic mean? Let's see. Magnum and Ray and nephew equals baby in 9 months. Word. He said Magnum and Ray and nephew equals baby in 9 months. Hey man, somebody's trying to have a baby. There you go. This might be the secret sauce. Tonic can have a few different meanings depending on the context. The other more common ones: invigorating substance. A tonic is something that makes you feel better, stronger, or more energetic. Word? Hold on. So the Jamaican Magnum make you feel. Now I see what. Now I see what you're talking about, Drew. This Jamaican tonic. Huh, okay. I'm picking up what you're putting down, bro. I'm picking up what you're putting down, bro. Okay, now I see why you're saying like it's lit. Okay. Imagine you be off this wine and you feel better, you feel stronger and more energetic. I'm already high energy as it is with no tonic. Imagine me off of this type of wine with tonic in it. What? Jeez. Listen, I already got 3 kids on a football team, but like, golly. Don't give me none of this, because then wifey gonna be screwed. She already be trying to run away from me. She already be trying to run away. Don't give me none of this. The Jamaican Magnum. How does it taste though, right? Like, is it actually flavorful or is it nasty? Like, let me know. How does it taste though? Is it flavorful? Is it nasty? That matters. All right, let's see, guys. We're still in this gold here. We're going to let this thing ride out. We are a little bit of drawdown. Again, I'm not doing what I did yesterday. You know, again, I got to learn my lesson from yesterday's mistakes, and we're just going to let the stop hit if it does hit. If it does turn around, go around and go bullish, amazing. But we're going to let this thing ride out. All right, again, this is like, I didn't even mean to take this trade. Like, I was literally setting it up. I didn't even mean to take it, but since we're in it, we gotta stand by it now. We gotta stand by it now. It is what it is, right? We gonna rock out either way. Let's see. We got the boy Matthew in the building. What's going on, my brother? Appreciate you. Let's see. You need that? What you know about that horny goat weed? I've never heard of that in my life. Yo, hold on. Who deleted that message? Did you just take away that message, Jose, or did somebody delete it on you, bro? Because that is dumb funny. The horny goat weed? I've never in my life heard of that. But that sounds crazy. Let's see. Mel said it tastes like wine. Well, yeah, because it is wine. Like, that's exactly what it is, right? Like, it's a wine. So I would expect it to taste like wine. Shout out to my sister Mel, man. Shout out to my sister Mel, man. Let's see, it gives you that feeling. Yo, y'all are some horny people up in here, man. Especially some of y'all, man. Yo, how do we even get into the conversation of that? Yo, y'all are hilarious, bro. Alright, so we do got this 10 o'clock candle now, family. It's about to be 10:03. 10:03 gang, stand up. 10:03 gang, stand up. Come on now. 10:03 stand up for my 10:03 gang. Family, drop a 10:03 in the chat, man. Drop a 10:03 in the chat, man. 10:03 gang, stand up. Come on now. 10:03 gang, stand up. That's dumb funny. Yeah. Yeah, big 10:03 gang in the building, man. Come on. We got 30 seconds for that 10:03. Let's get it. Come on. This guy Jonathan said 7:03. I forgot. 7:03 for all my West Coast folks in the building, man. Big 7:03 in the building, man. And big 9:03 for all my Central Time frames folks in the building, right? Big 9:03 for all my Central Time frame people, man. But it's big 10:03, man, till the wheels fall off. Exactly. Nah, we definitely got to get some shirts made, bro, because that is hilarious. Yo, because I got a lot of plans for us, family. Like, this is the thing, right? Like, I got a lot of plans for this community, yo. As we really grow this thing, man, and we start to plan out some trips, we gonna be the corny people with matching shirts at the bar, right? Just vibing out, having fun, man. I'm telling you, we gonna vibe out. We gonna have a good time, man. 'Cause I got a lot of plans for us. Like, I would love to. It's not that I've been thinking. I mean, I always thought about stuff like this, right? But I would love for us to really, do trips. Imagine taking grown folk field trips, right, to different countries, different islands, trading together live, right? I go ahead and rent out a nice little mansion or a big crib, that a lot of us can fit in, and we just have a good old time, man. Like, that's what I envision this community getting into, right? I'm not like, again, these other streamers, family, that are just staying behind the camera forever, right? That just, like, no, I'm used to, again, just because of my background here in this space, right? Obviously being a part of IM, right? And doing all the traveling that I did, right? And just being in person more times than not, like, that's the energy that I love, right? So I would love for us to eventually, rent out a big Airbnb, whether it's in the mountains of Tennessee or Colorado, or is down at the beach in Miami, or we're in Aruba, or we're in Bali. Like, I feel like we need to do that at least twice a year as a community. Like, that would be crazy, right? Because we family. Like, this ain't no just, I know y'all look at me a certain way, but like, we family, right? Like, I got uncles in the chat, I got cousins, I got brothers and sisters in the chat right now, man. We family, so we doing this together. So that's where we gotta go to, man. Let's see, y'all non-Eastern time people messing up the 10:03 game. Yo, that's hilarious, bro. To that one song, everybody in the bar getting tipsy. All right, see, now I gotta play it, bro. Now you bringing it up, man. Now I gotta play it. Holy moly, like, come on, bro. I thought I already was past this song, but I guess not. Everyone a Birkin. Let's see, that's where Pip Island comes in. I'm telling you. That Pip Island, man. That Pip Island gonna play out, man. Watch. It's not just an East Coast gang. 10:03 is a universal Pip gang. Come on now, baby. 10:03 gang in the building, man. Hey, one. Here comes the two to the four. Another round, we need plenty more. Nah, I gotta restart this shit, man. I feel like this song, just listening to this song, like I want to go to Tennessee. Like I want to go to Tennessee, go to a bar in Tennessee and just play this loud, drinking whiskey and just getting fucked up. Like just vibing out, man. This song is so tough. Baby girl, the blurkin. Hey, he said horny goat weed in a small mansion. Awesome ideas. Yo, you guys are, imagine the people that are just joining right now randomly, right? That really doesn't understand our humor. That didn't participate in the whole conversation and are now reading these comments like, yo, what the hell did I just join in? Like, what kind of stream is this? They talking about horny goat weeds and wine that gets you energy to go crazy. Like, what? Yo, I promise y'all, we're not that crazy, family. If you're just now finding us, right? We just like to have a good time, man. That is dope funny though, right? Oh my God, what an experience, right? What a way to join the stream for the first time and get exposed to Abel. We're over here talking about crazy stuff. Alright, let's vibe out. We gotta vibe out to this right here, family. All night long. Hey. Why the hell am I working so long? Hey, when I'm gone, hey, 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. And bang another round, we need plenty more. Oh my, good Lord. Tony up a double shot of whiskey. Me and Jack Daniels got history. You know what's crazy? I'm gonna play this out and I'll talk to y'all after this song. I gotta let this play out. This song is too much of a banger. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Come on, Gold. What are you trying to do, Gold? Dizzy food. I've been chasing for a check. Anybody ain't big. Oh no. Hold up, 1. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. We need plenty more. Oh my good Lord. So they told me up a double shot of whiskey. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody in 1003 getting tipsy. Nah, this song is so fire, man. Oh my good Lord. They know me and Jack Daniels got history. They know me and Jack Daniels got history. Then I'm at the club getting tipsy. He said I make bad decisions on. He's like, keep me away from that Jack Daniels. I ended up blowing my account off the Jack Daniels. Yo, man, oh, that's the song of the day, fam. I didn't play that song how many times so far today? At least 30? Like, oh my gosh, I'm running his streams up right now, Mr. Shabozy. Shaboozle. Let's see, you know what's crazy though? I gotta be careful, man, because a lot of y'all, it hasn't happened lately, right? But when I used to stream, right, for IM and I used to educate, and I used to do the same thing, right? I used to go crazy on stream, right? Just having a good time, right? Just dancing, being myself, man. Listen, I ain't gonna change for nobody. That's for damn sure, right? I'm gonna be myself no matter who's watching, right? I don't care if you're watching me or not. I'm talking to you right now. I'm looking directly at you in your eyes right now, right? You want me to get serious? I'm looking at you directly in your face right now, right? I don't care if you judge me, baby. I don't care, right? But the whole point of me saying this is this, right? I remember when I used to go on stream, right? And I used to do that. I used to sing. I used to dance. And people used to record me, right? And they used to tag me on Instagram on their stories. Yeah, that shit used to be the funniest thing in the world, right? Because you know, everybody in their head, they feel like they actually sound good when they sing, right? Like I feel like I sound like Usher when I'm singing, right? I'm just being honest, right? I'm like a mixture of Usher, Chris Brown, Mike Jackson, and Prince combined, right? Like that's me when I sing, right? In my head, I feel like that's me, right? But in the reality, when you guys be sneaking some recordings and you guys tag me on Instagram and then I actually hear myself, I'm like, who the hell is that? What the hell's going on? Like, what is up? Like, I sound crazy. Yo, that should be so funny, bro. I'd be like, yo, I really let myself act like a fool like that. It should be so funny though. Oh man, I just like having fun, man. That's really what it comes down to. Oh man, that's hilarious. Let's see, some people get drunk and holler at the ex. My man gets drunk and blows accounts. Let's see, is that a black country singer? That is, man. Y'all ain't never heard of Shabuzi? What is his name? It's like Shabuzo. What is it? Shabuzi. All right, shout out to Shabuzi, man. He goes crazy. Like, he goes crazy. Shout out Mr. Shabuzi. Look at my guy right here, man. I gotta give him a follow. How am I not following him, man? My boy is a savage, boy. Coming up crazy. Yeah, come on, Shabuzi. Do your thing, my boy. Come on. A black country artist. That's crazy, right? Like, what are the odds? See, now we gotta... Shout out to my guy, No Life Shaq. I was watching his reaction to it, but we gotta watch this actual song, man. This thing got 10 million views in 3 weeks. That's crazy. 10 million views in 3 weeks, man. Shout out to Shabuzi, man. Come on, boy. Come on now. Yeah, go crazy. Go crazy. Come on. Baby, want a Birkin. Hey, hey. On and on. Why the hell am I working so hard? That's a fact, though. When I'm gone. Sing it. We need Freddie Mo. Oh my. Good Lord. Come on now. And then me and Jack Daniels got history. Hey. Hey. Anybody at the club get tipsy? Come on, Shabuzi. Come on, Shabuzi. Get crazy, my boy. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. He moving like he drunk right now. I've been busy for a check. Oh. Nah, I need the country hat. No cap. I need the country hat. Dead ass. He said, y'all could, don't forget the Courage of Cowardly Dog. Y'all could be twins. That's crazy. Oh my. Good Lord. Oh. And me and Jack Daniels got history. Come on. Come on. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Gold is still at break even, man. We still chilling on gold right now. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. I'm right picking that door. Oh my. Good Lord. Turn up. Yo, this song don't just get you, like, this song don't make you happy, bro. Like, come on, man. Hey, 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 hey. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Hey, hey, Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. That song is a banger. I don't care what anybody gotta say, man. Shout out to Shabuzi. How am I not subscribed to you, my brother? You got my subscription. You got my notifications turned on. I got you, bro. I'm locked in, man. And he got some other bangers too. Like, don't get it twisted, man. He's actually pretty fire. Like, really fire. Man, I'm out of breath now. Holy shoot. I need to go back in the gym, boy. Woo. All right, we locked in now. Focus, Abel. Focus. We locked in again. All right. Let's see. Abel has built-in auto-tune in his head. Absolutely, I do. I think a lot of us do, man. Let's be honest here, family. Let's be honest here, man. I know a lot of us do. Let's see. I definitely need the cowboy hat. You know what's crazy? I've never owned a cowboy hat because I'm from New York. Like what I look like from New York, owning a cowboy hat, it's kind of like it's like an oxymoron. It just like doesn't make sense that much. I don't even got no cowboy boots neither, man. I need a cowboy hat. I need a cowboy boots. I'm trying to like really go to like a rodeo. How many of you guys have ever been to like an actual rodeo? Like an actual rodeo, right? With the clowns getting chased by the bulls and the horse ridings, and they gotta like, you know what I'm saying, like do the, you know what I'm saying, do like the, like they gotta, I don't even know what it's called, right? Like they're on the horse trying to like saddle the, I don't even know what it's called. I look crazy right now even talking about it, but like, yeah, roping, that's what it is, right? Like I'm trying to go to one of those, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like that could be a trip for all of us. I never been to a damn rodeo in my life. Like I would love to do that. Like for real, like that's an experience I never had, man. Like that would be cool, man. Let's see. Oh, YouTube. Yo, you know what's crazy? YouTube just did me dirty right now. Hold on. See, that's look at this. YouTube hit me with a warning just now. It said, "Heads up. We detected video in your stream belonging to someone else. Your stream may temporarily be blocked. If you plan to continue, please ensure that the content owner has added your channel to their allow list." Come on, YouTube. You've been letting us rock all day. You've been letting us rock all day. But now because I share a video that I'm reacting to, bro, now it's a problem? Like, come on, don't do that, YouTube. Don't be biased. Don't do that. But yet all these other people can react to it? Ah, come on, YouTube. Don't do that. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, man. Like, YouTube just be hating at times, man. At least they ain't, like, disrespect us, though, because they could have... I've been playing a lot of copyrighted music all day. Literally all day. And they didn't say nothing as of now, which is cool, you know? But, yeah. Man, I'm over here getting a workout with y'all. I was about to go to the gym after this too, but y'all got me over here worked up. Might not even need the gym at this point. Let's see, you know my old ass been to one. I'm saying, I'm trying to go calf roping, team roping, all that. Yeah, Jose, like I'm trying to go. Jose, where you live at, bro? You in Houston? Where you at, man? Where you at, man? Let's see, come to Texas, bro. We have plenty of rodeos. I'm saying, ask her, where are you at? Like, where are you located? That's what I'm saying. I feel like Texas is like the people that rock with me the most. I'm damn near like a Texan at this point because you guys love me so much and I appreciate y'all, man. Like for real. Let's see, a Matrix attack. I'm telling you, they don't want us to be great, man. I don't know if it was my dance moves that triggered it or something, but like they don't want us to be great. Let's see. All the BS that goes on this platform, they tripping. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, you out there in Fort Worth, Texas. Okay, there's definitely a lot out there in Fort Worth. Yeah. Yeah. 1003 gang and Prof family. We looking good so far, but you know, we got to control our emotions. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to get too high. We don't want to get too low in these markets. You know how it is. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to let this play out. And now we're going to let it rock. Let's see. AC, what up, though? What's going on? God Rahmad. What's going on, my brother? I appreciate you for tuning in, man. Big shout out to you. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I'm not sure if Aska sent you this way, man, but I appreciate you as well, Aska. Let's give you a round of applause as well, Aska. Just cuz. Why not? Right? We all about showing love here. Let's go now. We all about showing love here, man. Houston's greetings. What it do? You know what Houston's greetings are? Is like, hey man, say man. Like y'all, you Texas folks love saying that. Hey man, say man. What's the word, man? I'm back with another day, man. That's definitely Texas lingo. Hey man, say man. What's the word, man? Back with another day, man. As we've been rocking with you since y'all, man. I can give you another round of applause for that, man. That's love. That is love, man. I appreciate that a lot. Trust me, it does mean a lot. And I don't just say this just to say it. Like, it actually does mean a lot that, you know, people still rock with me. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, obviously, you know how people are, right? A lot of people have their own opinions about the platform. But I'm grateful that I was able to be in a position where I was literally teaching the skill, right? So for the most part, I rarely ever get any hate, you know, which is amazing. Let's see. I never heard anyone from Texas say that word. Hey, man, man, back with another day, man. I don't know. Must be just me. I might be making it up. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, man, we got Alexander back in the building. Let's go, man. Our residents. Wait, what is he? What was he? This was this It was Portuguese, right? Let's go ahead and see what he's talking about, man. This is our brother right here, Alexander. Alexander. Like, we gotta get the translation back, Alexander. We gotta get the translation back. Last time you called me a snake man. Let's see what you about to call me now. Let's see what you about to call me now, man. Let's see. Let's see. What's up, bro? What's new with you? Ah, my brother. Hey, I'm doing good, man. Let me translate this. I'm doing phenomenal. Thank you for asking. Welcome to the stream. Translate this back. Let's go, man. Come on. I appreciate you, my brother, man. I'm not Snake Man no more. I think I am probably Snake Man still. Look, I see you say Cobra. Cobra, let me see. Here you go. Right back to you, my brother. Come on now. Esto endo fenomenal. Let's see. You definitely called me a Cobra, though. I don't need to translate that, but I'm going to translate it regardless. Cobra. Cobra Man. Yeah. I'll take it, man. I'm Snake Man. Snake Man in the building. Let's see. You always add value, fam. Blessings. Ever for that platform changed my life? Absolutely. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, man. Amazing, amazing. Super grateful for y'all. Super great. Absolutely. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. What else we got here on the horizon? Look at my life. Look at my story. Hey, hey. Yo, I probably have. You know what's crazy? You guys want to hear a song? Let me see. Where is it at? This song right here, I just found this dude. This is like a young dude out of New York. This is a young dude out of New York, right? This song right here is fire. Yo, Finesse, I got the sauce. This is some drill music, though. You know what I'm saying? But this is tough for a specific reason. I'm gonna tell y'all after. Nah, the beat is crazy. Hey, 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 hey. Talk about it. Yeah. Talk about it. Only. Yeah. Hey, yo, family. Hold on. We got. Now that song is fire right there. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's see. Compra y cara. Compré por casi. I gotta translate that. Let me see what we got here. Because I'm beeping. Man, translate it. Let's see, bro. You do not sound like none of the greats you named. Let's see. Why did you buy there, dude? I bought because of that big strength candle there after the move entered the pullback. Is this happening in gold as well? Yeah, I mean, I personally like the move that we've seen from these lows. You know, and I would like to see now a continuation up to the upside here for gold. So I do like the buys. I think we had enough momentum here. Decent little pullback. I like the strength that we experienced overnight, and I want to see if we can go ahead and continue with that strength that we see. All right, that's what I'm looking for. Let's see. You said Lil TJ. It's crazy. That sounded like Lil TJ, right? But that's not Lil TJ. That's actually some dude. His name is like Jomar or something. See, but like these songs right here, though, believe it or not, like that last song I just played, believe it or not, like this is all gospel music. Like it's all Christian rap. Like literally Christian rap, Christian trap music, like Christian drill music, which is nuts. Like imagine that. Like that's crazy. Christian drill music. I ain't never in my life knew that people make Christian drill music. But I love me my gospel music as well. I'm not even gonna lie. Don't get it twisted, family. Like I love all type of music, especially gospel music. But this is literally like gospel drill. Like what? Leave it up to New Yorkers, bro. Leave it up to somebody in New York to make gospel drill. Like this is crazy. All right, family. This is what I want you guys to do. Can you guys do me a favor though? All right, we got one of the goats live right now as well. You know, my brother Skaggs in the building again. Somebody that I learned a shit ton from. Can you guys go here and drop 1003 gang in the chat real quick? Let's go ahead and show my brother some love, man. Let's go show my brother some love, man. Drop a 1003 in the chat. Drop a 1003 in the chat for my brother Skaggs. Oh, how long has he been live? He's been live for like 20 minutes. Yeah, drop a 1003 in the chat, man. Go show my brother Skaggs some love. If you guys ever listen to Skaggs, you guys know how valuable and how knowledgeable this dude is. Right? Extremely, extremely. It's like a damn walking encyclopedia. I'm not even gonna lie. He's like a walking encyclopedia. Like, this dude is insane. Like, super smart, super intelligent. Somebody that could definitely teach you a few things in the market. He goes crazy. Let's see. I'm over by Kyle. Same way. We in profit over there. Okay, let's go. Little bro Kyle live too. Come on, man. Let's get it. Again, the energy is definitely a lot different though, right? Compared to me and and these other dudes, right? You know, Kyle and Skaggs are definitely not as energetic as I am, because I just be acting a fool on stream. But I don't change the fact that these dudes are extremely, extremely knowledgeable. Like, dudes is crazy. Let's see what we got here though. God is awake. God is a move. Alright, you said what's this guy's name? That guy's name is Jomar Santiago. Even this song right here too is gospel. Like, this is a Christian based song, you could say, right? It's about God and Jesus, which is pretty cool. And it was blessing. Come on, Gold. You're not gonna do anything the rest of the day, bro. Like, now you're just being super slow, my boy. Like, come on. Come on, Gold. Go. Give us a move already, my brother. Come on. 1003 in the building. That boy Skaggs gonna be like, what the hell is 1003? Yeah, that's hilarious. Skaggs gonna be like, what the hell is 1003? What are y'all talking about? So you looking at NASDAQ? Hey, got the news. That's how I try to talk to you. That's the depression. That's a lesson. Yeah. In the end, it was blessing. In the end, it was blessing. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Pull back. I buy Trey. Yeah. Let's see. He just said that. He said. He said, "What the hell is 10:03?" Hold up.
Most top. Okay. Yeah, that 10 o'clock turnaround time. Okay. I don't like the 10:03. I'm more a 10:07 gang. I'm more a 10:07 gang. But I can fuck with the 10:03.
He said 10:07 gang. No, that's hilarious. He said I'm 10:07. He said I'm 10:07 gang.
Yeah, this feature should be applied to all undisciplined.
Shout out to the boy Skags, but that is hilarious, bro. Big 10:03 gang in the building. You heard? He said I don't even know what that is. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I know he did. He wasn't gonna know what the hell's going on, but now he know. I heard him. He said I'm 10:07 gang. Hey man, that works. It's a 4-minute difference. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. I'm gonna take the test. Let's see. You know I had to inform. Absolutely. Listen. Oh, I'm gonna be honest. Oh, you the OG. You the originator of the 10:03 gang, bro. You the originator. Now, listen, I give credit where it's due, bro. Like, you're the one who really started that, and it was dumb funny then, and it's still dumb funny today. Right? So you gotta let them know what it is, man. All right, let's see what my brother Alex says, man. Let's see. Let's see what we got here, right? Let me translate this real quick for us. Let's see. Here's a tip for you, friend. When you're about to start your live stream, set the language to English on YouTube. This will enable the live translation button. Okay. Nah, I definitely got you, bro. I got you, man. I appreciate that, right? Translate this back. Wait, hold on. Alex, do you understand English, though? Right? Alex, do you understand English? Or do I have to translate things? Obviously, if you don't understand it, you're not going to answer this. I'm an idiot. Hold on. Nah, that's a good tip, though. Let's see. I'm telling you, I make t-shirts. Hey, brother. Oh, come on, man. Ship me some 10:03 shirts, man. I need that. Rico charge incoming for the 10:07 gang. Call a Rico on 10:07. Going against the 10:03 gang, man. Let's see. Muito poco. Muito poco. Perfect. All right, so family, listen, man. I gotta personally wrap this thing up, man. I gotta go ahead and I gotta make some moves. I gotta go run some errands. Then I gotta go ahead and obviously handle some other business and stuff, yo. But we're gonna let this rock out with gold. It's moving super slow right now, but we're gonna let it rock out, let it play out. I will update everybody in my Discord on what I do. If you guys are in the Discord, that's where you'll get the announcements on what I'm doing with this and how this is going. So if you guys are not in the Discord, make sure to be in there ASAP. And hopefully this can continue to run for us, man. But this thing hasn't done a damn thing all morning since we got in, right? And so we gonna let this thing rock out, all right? We gonna let this thing rock out, man. All right, so family, man, I appreciate you guys. I love y'all. It's definitely one of the better streams just because of the energy was there. I was acting a fool like usual, and hopefully we can finish off today with an actual win here and a W for the chat. All right, so family, man, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Again, I did send you guys Skags if you guys want to continue to learn from somebody that I truly respect and I trust. The boy Skags thing is in the chat. Go ahead and show him some love. Kyle's also available as well, little bro Kyle. You know, he's actually Kyle just ended, but you know, Skags is still on. I don't know how much longer he's gonna be, but you know, some good options there, family. All right, go ahead and take advantage of it, man. So, family, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'll talk to you guys all a little bit later. All right, y'all, take care, y'all. Let's get it.
With your third eye, never around loud. You made the hairs on my body stick up like I was alfalfa. DTB, these bitches ain't loyal, cannot vouch for. You wasn't with me when I slept on the couch. Now I'm in my city, they treat me like Gilly and Philly. If If I give you game, it's gonna be worth like a billy. Give a bitch my heart, she let it go on a river. It's a whole nother story, this ain't Bobby and Whitney. I got a whole lot of money, you could spend it with me. Smack the soul out of nigga, you think it's funny, ain't shiggy. I'm not a role model, nigga, I got killers with me. Holes in your body, but you could never be 50. And I got bruised once for loving a girl. Confused, thinking bitch ass niggas was so dirt. Paddy wagons used to spin the block, was only selling weed. I'd rather see that nigga in the box before he tell on me. Out of all the altercations with the ops that never fell on me. And I was conversations with the Akis about investments, baby. Did I stutter? All these M&M's got niggas acting shady. I miss butter. When they killed my friend, I felt like blasting something. Shit was all good if you asked me, till you started asking about Tiffany and Ashley. I looked through your phone, I ain't gon' lie, you did me badly. You looked through my phone, what you expect to see? I'm nasty. Don't ask me shit, don't hit me up about no bullshit. Especially when you interrupted me while I'm working. I pick you up, you said bring the car with the curtain.
Baby born a Birkin. She's been telling me all night long. Gasoline and groceries, the list goes on and on. It's 9 to 5 ain't working. Why the hell do I work so hard? I can't worry about my problems. I can't take them when I'm gone. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. 2 stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jay Dale's got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. I've been boozy since I left. I ain't changing for a chick. Tell my mind.